Let us listen to a dialogue between Akbos and Aunty Ruky. Mingwo Aunty Ruky. Vrendo. Iyaretine. Oyoma. Mingwo is a greeting from a younger person to an older person, and never from an older person to a younger person. Never. Mingwo literally means I am on my knees. Vrendo is made up of two words. It's a compound word. Vren, do. Vren is to rise. Rise, vren. Get up, vren. Do, well done. Well done. So, if you greet someone, Mingwo, the response is Vrendo, rise up. Well done. Iyanre, come over. Iyanre, come over. Iyanre, come over. Etine is here. Iyanre, etine, come over here. Iyanre, etine, come over here. Oyoma, it's alright. It's okay. Oyoma is good. Oyoma.